Ano yung pinaka-challenging na case na nahawakan mo so far?
Always, bro, always challenging itong mga nullity of cases. Kasi, yun nga, as a Catholic, di ba, we are really, we really believe that that marriage is really sacred. We know that, in fact, that's a sacrament of marriage nga eh. And then even sa batas, this is considered as an inviolable social institution. Kaya even as a Catholic faithful, as a Christian, and even as a judge, pareho eh. We value marriage. Kaya mabigat talaga no sa kalooban ko handling nullity cases. Although ngayon parang normal eh. Ang daming nagpa-file. Hindi lang magkaintindihan, nullity na kaagad. But of course, kami naman, ako as a judge, again, go back ako. I cannot just also decide based on my faith na ang marriage ay sacred, na hindi na pwede talagang pwedeng based on human law. Kasi we have family code eh. Hindi naman ako canon judge eh.
Lawyer.
Yeah, I'm not Mind you, 'di ba, meron din tayong nullity sa ating
Catholic.
church. Yeah, sa church courts natin. We have a court in our church. And in fact, yung Article 36 ng Family Code na palaging ginagamit sa mga nullity case, yung mga psychological incapacity, if you look at the discussion sa Family Code Commission, kinukuha nila yung ground na yan from the canon law na as basis also to declare a marriage null and void, no? Meaning ab initio, meaning from the very beginning, there's no marriage to speak of because isang party ay wala talagang capacity because of his psychological incapacity. So yun, mabigat sa akin bro, kaya para sa akin parang normal sa iba, pero whenever I decide, okay, a nullity of marriage case, talagang mabigat. And I really pray, I really pray a lot, no, before I decide. But minsan wala tayong magagawa eh. Talagang may evidence. Abuse, talagang hindi lang isang beses, ilang beses na physical, psychological, verbal abuse ang ginagawa ng isang spouse against the other. Irreconcilable na talaga. For 10 years, hindi na sila nagsasama. In fact, yung mga ganun na mga kaso, and the evidence is very clear, minsan, we have mabigat no para sa akin as a judge, but minsan nagadran talaga. But there are really cases na sabi ko, pwede naman itong pag-usapan sana eh.
Yeah.